The work breakdown structure is the structure of all the project tasks. So what you see in front of you is all the tasks that we need to do to complete this project. You can also create summary tasks, and summary tasks represent the major phases of your project. Now, to add the project summary task to your project, you are going to click on Format, and at the right hand side you are going to select Project Summary Task, and you will see now the heading that we have set up here under File, Info, Project Information, My Construction, is now inserted as the Project Summary Task. You will see that the ID number changed now to 0, and the duration is the length of the longest task that we have. If you look at the chart pane, you will see that the bars is differently for a summary task, and if you position your mouse on it, you will also see that it's indicated as a project summary, while if you go on the other bars, it will indicate it is a task. If you want to add more summary tasks, you can click at the position and you can click on the Format tab on Summary, and it will add a new summary task, and you can just type the name. Or you can go on an existing task list, select the tasks, and you click on Indent. And you will also see now that pre-construction changed to a summary task with a list of tasks below that. You will also see now that the minus appear next to the summary task. So if I click on the minus, it hides the task. If I click on the plus, it displays the tasks. If I click on the minuses, I will reduce my list to only a list of the major phases of the project. If I want to display everything again, you can go to the View tab and you can go to Outline. Outline allows you to show subtasks or hide subtasks or to display all the subtasks again.